Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC file. And in today's video, I will show you how to create WinRAR Anki file and add password to your folder in your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do right there is to see how we can create WinRAR file folder. So for that, go ahead and right click on your Windows PC. Then make sure you navigate to new. Then go ahead and click on WinRAR Anki. Go ahead and click on that, then you have it right here. So here you can name your folder. So I'm going to call this video editing element, and then hit enter. Now once you create the folder, next thing you want to do is to see how we can drag all the file folder into this particular WinRAR file and how we can password protect the file. So for that, what you need to do is to double click on the WinRAR file. So this is going to pump up here. Just go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Then you have the folder right here. Next thing you want to do is to drag your folder into this particular box right here. So that I'm going to use this particular CorelDRAW backup folder right here. I will drag and drop it right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now you have some settings you need to take into consideration right here. Anki format, which is RAR file. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and see how we can easily add a password. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and click on set password right here. So enter your password, then enter your password to confirm. Then you can go ahead and check on the password just like so. Then you can also encrypt with name file. So just like so. Then next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on OK. And then go ahead and hit on OK right here. Boom. And the file has been successfully created. Let's go ahead and close this tab. Now we have the folder here now. So if anybody wants to have access to this particular WinRAR file, they will have to make sure they enter the password. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and press enter key on my keyboard. Now we have this particular file open right here. Now for us to have access to this folder, so if I click on the folder, I double click, it's going to open up like so. But if I want to check on the content of the file, it asks me to enter password to have access to it. It's that simple. So with that, if you continue to click as many as possible, it's going to ask you to enter password. So just enter the password and you have access to the content that you have in the file folder of WinRAR file. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about file settings and file security in your Windows PC like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.